Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to stake CRO on crypto.com. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your crypto.com mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, on the home page you will be able to see these three horizontal lines in the top left hand corner. So you need to tap on these and then you just have to tap on the staking option among the given options. Now over here in the Discover tab, you will be able to see Chronos, which is CRO, which is the official token of crypto.com. And right next to it, you are going to see the stake button. It will also show you the percentage of APR that you are going to get if you stake your CRO tokens. So here you need to tap on the stake option. Then you need to enter the amount of CRO that you want to stake. If you want to stake all of your CRO tokens, then you need to tap on the max button and it will automatically take all of the coins from your account. Then it will show you the estimated APR you are going to get and the estimated rewards that you are going to get in 1 year. Then it will also show you the staking timeline in which you are going to see the dates at which your activation of staking will be started and when will you get your first reward. It will also show you the estimated unbound period as well. So after filling these details, basically after entering the amount of CRO that you want to stake, you need to check this box of terms and conditions and press the confirm stake button in bottom. This way you will be able to easily stake your CRO tokens on crypto.com. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.